नमस्कार दोस्तों, नॉलेज सेंटर कंप्यूटर में आपका स्वागत है। एंड अभी तक आपने अगर हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन पर दबा लें ताकि नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिले। इन दिस क्लास वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी नेटवर्किंग, टोपोलॉजीज एंड ट्रांसमिशन मोड। इट्स ए वेरी important concept in networking. From this topic lots of question comes in your exam also. And what is topologies, how many types of topologies, what is transmission mode, we will discuss in this class. We are providing PDF or also of all the notes. We are providing the PDF link in the description of the video. Please get from there. Okay, start from this. First question is, what is topology? And topology is the structure of your computer connections. This is the basic word meaning of topology. Structure of network is called topology. Topology defines the structure of the network, of how all the components are interconnected to each other. There are two types of topology, physical and logical topology. Physical topology is geometric representation of all nodes in a network. It means virtual network we are not discussing here. We are discussing here physical topology, how physically computers are connected. Topology mention all these concepts. On the basis of this diagram, we are dividing into 6 categories: bus, ring, tree, star, mesh and hybrid topology. These topologies we will discuss in details. First one is bus topology. As you can see this diagram, in bus topology you can see there are 4 computers are connected by a single line. This is the characteristics of a bus topology. It means there is a single layer or single cable and both side computers are connected. Now discuss whatever we mentioned here. The bus topology is designed in such a way that all the stations means these computers are connected through a single cable. Remember this is single cable known as backbone of cable. When a node want to send a message over the network, how the functioning is going in bus topology? When one node, for example this computer want to send a message over network, it put a message over the network. All the station available in network will receive the message whether it is be addressed or not. For example, यहाँ से मैंने एक मैसेज भेजा तो ये सारे कंप्यूटर्स के पास में एक मैसेज जाएगा. The bus topology is mainly used in 802.3 Ethernet and 802.4 standard network. Remember this, where you are using Ethernet cable 802.3, 802.4 standard, where we can use bus topology. The backbone cable is considered as a single lane through which the message is broadcast through all the stations. Remember the advantage of bus topology. Low cost cable hai, we are using for this. Moderate data speed, familiar technology and limited features. These are the advantages of bus topology. I think it is clear. We are using a single cable to connect the computers and sharing the information from one computer to other computer. Next topology is ring topology. In this you can see computers are connected through a circle in a ring. How they are connection? For example, this is computer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If 1, 2 want to send the data to 4, it will go first, second, then third, then 4. In this ring topology they are working. Ring topology is likely a bus topology but with connected ends. The node that receive the message from one previous computer will transmit to the next. We already discussed one to another. The data flow in one directional. Remember this, ring topology is unidirectional. The data flow in a single loop continuously known as endless loop. It has not terminated. We cannot mention कि ये कंप्यूटर, ये कंप्यूटर, ये कंप्यूटर, कौन सा कंप्यूटर इसमें एंड नोड होगी. एंड it has no terminated end, that is, each node is connected to other node and having no termination point. The data in a ring topology flow in a clockwise. Remember this also, data flow in ring topology is clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, but remember ring topology works on clockwise. Advantage of ring topology is network management, product availability, cost and reliable. Third topology here is star topology. In this star topology, computers are connected by a central node. Maybe we call this server like that. Star topology is an arrangement of networks in which every node is connected to the central hub, switch or a central computer. Okay, three devices we can use: hub, switch and central computer. The central computer is known as server and the peripheral device attached to the server is known as client. It means these computers are known as client and this is called server. So we can say client server technology used in star topology. Coaxial cable or RJ45 cables are used to connect the computer. कौन सी cables काम में लेते हैं हम? Coaxial cable and RJ45 cables. Hub और switches are mainly used to connect devices in physical star topology. कौन सी devices काम में लेते हैं? Hubs and switches. Star topology is the most popular topology in network information. I think mostly organizations are using star topology in their organization. Advantage of star topology: efficient troubleshooting. Easily we can find out which computer are creating a problem or troubleshooting is easily. Network control, limited failure, cost effective and high speed data. I think small organizations are using star topologies. Tree topology. In this you can see computers are connected in tree format. Tree topology combine the characteristics of bus topology and star. Combination of bus and star is called tree topology. A tree topology is a type of structure in which all the computers are connected with each other in a hierarchical fashion. Hierarchical fashion, you can see this is called hierarchical fashion. And the topmost node in tree topology is known as root node. This is called root node. And all other nodes are descendant of the root node, it means child node. There is only one path exists between two nodes for the data transmission. Thus, it is form a parent-child hierarchy. Remember, combination of bus topology and star topology. Parent node, child nodes. Advantage of tree topology: support for broadband transmission, easily expandable, easily manageable, error detection, and point-to-point wiring. Next topology is mesh topology. Mesh topology is an arrangement of the network in which computers are interconnected with each other through various redundant connections. Redundant का मतलब होता है repetition of connections. It means आपस में meshing होती है. Mesh का मतलब जैसे ये कंप्यूटर है, ये कनेक्टेड इससे भी है, ये इससे भी कनेक्टेड और ये इससे भी कनेक्टेड. ये देखो इससे कनेक्टेड है, इससे कनेक्टेड है, इससे कनेक्टेड है. There are multiple paths from one computer to another computer. It means they are mentioning multiple paths. It does not contain the switch, hub or any central computer which act as a central point of communication. जैसे स्टार टोपोलॉजी के अंदर हम बीच में हब, स्विच और उसका सेंट्रल कंप्यूटर यूज कर रहे थे. In mesh topology there is no device. The internet is an example of mesh topology. Remember this very important line is mesh topology का best example internet. Mesh topology mainly used for wide area network implementation where communication failure are a critical concern. It means एक सर्वर पे अगर लोकेशन फेल होती है तो दूसरे डेटा से, दूसरे सर्वर से, तीसरे सर्वर से हम डेटा फिच आउट कर सकते हैं. Mesh topology mainly used for wireless network. It is also remember this. It is used for wireless network. You can notice here in this presentation some important topics I have highlighted or by blue colors. These are important topics. Mesh topology can be formed by using the formula. This question is also asked in different exams. If a number of cables are there, then what is the number of cables required for mesh topology? Formula is n into n minus 1 upon 2, where n is the number of nodes that are visible in the network. Question ऐसा आता है. For example, Anil want to establish a such type of connection. He has 20 computers, number of cables required. You can calculate n into n minus 1 upon 2 this formula. Okay, I think got it. Next, hybrid topology. Hybrid word का मतलब होता है mix of two topologies. if we are connecting any two topologies combined, it is called hybrid topology. The combination of various different topologies is known as hybrid topology. A hybrid topology is a connection between different links and nodes to transfer the data. When two or more different topologies are combined together, is termed as hybrid topology. And if similar topologies are connected with each other, it will not result in hybrid. It means two star topology को अगर हमने combine कर दिया, two bus topologies को अगर हमने merge कर दिया, तो हम उसको hybrid topology नहीं कह सकते. For example, if there exists a ring topology in one branch of ICICI Bank, bus topology in another branch of ICICI Bank, connecting these two topologies will result in hybrid topology. Okay, I think it is clear. Two different types of topology are merged, result is hybrid topology. Reliable होता है, scalable होता है, flexible होता है, effective होता है. I think this topic is clear. Topologies, topologies में हमने पढ़े हैं bus, star, ring, mesh and hybrid topology. Remember all this topology. Next topic is transmission modes. Very important topics in all exams also. Definitely one or two questions are there. Transmission modes, how data can be transmitted. Very easy topic. The way in which data is transmitted from one device to another is known as transmission mode. किस तरह से data transmission होता है. With the transmission mode is also known as communication mode. Each communication channel has a direction associated with it, and transmission media provide the direction. Therefore, the transmission mode is also known as directional mode. The transmission mode is defined in physical layer. Remember this. Transmission mode is always defined in OSI model की first layer, that is physical layer में. Now we are discussing by examples. The transmission mode is divided into three categories: simple mode, half duplex mode and full duplex mode. One by one we will understand. First is simple mode. Simple mode is made in simple mode that communication is unidirectional. What is the meaning of unidirectional? That is the data flow in one direction. Only data can be transmitted, sent only single direction at a time. A device can only send the data but cannot receive it, or it can receive the data but cannot send the data. It means, for example, you have two devices, one is sender and second is receiver. So sender can send and receiver can only receive. Such type of mode is called simplex mode. This transmission mode is not very popular as mainly communication requires the two-way exchange of data. The simplex mode is used in business field, as in cells that do not require any corresponding reply. Example is radio station. I think it is clear. In radio we always can listen, hear. Never we can cross it. Keyboard. By using keyboard always we are giving input to computer. Monitor always displaying output. I think clear. Advantage of simplex mode is, in simplex mode the station can utilize the entire bandwidth of the communication channel. It means when you are transmitting data from one device to another device, second another, or we can say rest of two devices we cannot use third device. So only full bandwidth by used by बहुत communication devices. That's why full bandwidth of utilization is done in simplex mode. Second one is half duplex mode. Half duplex direction can be reversed. That is, station can transmit and receive the data as well. First simple में केवल data transmit हो सकता था, तो ट्रांसमिट हो रहा था, तो जो रिसीवर था वो रिसीव कर रहा था, सेंडर सेंड कर रहा था. यहाँ पे बहुत कैन बी पॉसिबल, बट मैसेज फ्लो इन बोथ डायरेक्शन बट नॉट एट सेम टाइम. रिमेंबर दिस, they can transmit the data but not same time. The entire bandwidth of communication channel is utilized in one direction at a time. Here also utilize full bandwidth one direction at a time. It means when you are sending full bandwidth used. When you are receiving full bandwidth used. In half duplex mode it is possible to perform the error detection. Here error detection possible, and if any error occurs then the receiver requests the sender to transmit the data again. Example, a walkie-talkie is an example of half duplex. Best example of half duplex, walkie-talkie. Advantage of half duplex mode is, in half duplex mode both the devices can send and receive the data and also can utilize the entire bandwidth of the communication channel during the transmission of data. As you can see in this diagram, this computer sending the data at a time, this computer sending the data this at a time, transmitting either direction but not together simultaneously. Last mode is full duplex mode. In full duplex mode, the communication is bidirectional. Remember this word, bidirectional. That is the data flow in both the directions. Both the station can send and receive the message together simultaneously. Full duplex mode has two simplex channels. One channel has traffic moving in one direction and another channel has traffic flowing in the opposite direction. Mobile. The full duplex mode is the fastest mode of communication between devices. We are using now these days a lot. The most common example of full duplex mode is a telephone network. Best example. Both the station can send and receive the data at the same time. I think it is clear. Transmission mode now clear. Simplex, half duplex, full duplex. It is clear. Okay. Any doubts? I think it is clear. Difference between simple and half duplex and full duplex mode. Remember, if you are aware about simple, half duplex, full duplex, you can easily understand this table. You can understand by yourself. If you are facing any problem, comment me and mention this. What type of problem you are facing, in which point you are facing the problem. Examples are clear: radio, keyboard, monitor, walkie-talkie, telephone lines. Performance: who send the receiver both direction, but at a time, single, both devices simultaneously, only sending, only receiving. In simplex mode, the communication is unidirectional, bidirectional, and bidirectional, but one at a time. In both are bidirectional, but at a time. That's why I am giving this table in this. Okay. Thank you. If you have any query, comment me, and please subscribe my channel, and please click on bell icon for getting the first notification for my channel. Thank you.